Follow these steps. Hydrogel Screen Protector. Removed card. Dust removal sticker. 1+2 wet and dry alcohol wipes. Use wet alcohol wipe, number 1, to clean the screen. Use dry wipe, number 2, to clean the screen. Use dust removal sticker to remove excessive dust. Tear the hydrogel screen protector from the middle side. Align well and place the screen protector on the screen. Use the removed card flatten the screen protector. Stick the guide stickers on the screen protector. One on top and one at bottom. Lift up the screen protector using guide sticker. You may also try to use your nail to lift it up gently. Start from the middle film starting line. Use the removed card at 60 to 75 degrees angle to remove the first bottom film. Lift up the screen protector a little bit more to the other side, to push away remaining bubbles in the middle. And use the removed card as 60 to 75 degrees angle to remove the second bottom film. Lastly, remove the first layer and use the removed card to flatten the edges. And we're done. Good job!